Hi, this is Ayansi from 7 Manga, and for this video, I'm going to teach how to cook spicy chicken caldereta. If you're planning to cook, you need the following: 1 kilogram of chicken, 2 pieces medium potato, 2 pieces medium carrot, 2 pieces medium-sized bell pepper, 5 pieces chili, 1 medium onion, 1 can of liver spread small, 500 grams of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons cheddar cheese, oil for frying, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper and salt. Before we start, we need to wash our hands to prevent the germs. Cut the onion, garlic, potatoes, carrots, and bell pepper. Start by pan-frying the potato and carrots. Heat oil in a pan. Add potato. Fry each side for 1 minute. Remove from the pan and put in a bowl. Set aside. Do the same thing with the carrots. Using the remaining oil, saute garlic and onion, add the chicken and saute for about 10 minutes until brown. Add salt, black pepper, tomato sauce, liver spread, and cheddar cheese, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Add chili, bell pepper, potatoes, and carrots. Cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes.